The third IRBN from Mizoram, currently posted in different parts of Assam, had been lending a helpful hand to the poor and needy on the occasions of Christmas 2022. On 21st of December, continuing its humanitarian effort, the D Company of the 3rd IRBN, currently posted in Assam Nagaon district, distributed blankets to over 200 families at Utmari, Samguri area with an estimated worth of Rs 50,000 and also distributed financial assistance to 36 poor families in Marigaon and Nagaon area on 20th of December. It was reported that the D Company of the 3rd IRBN, currently posted in Assam Nagaon district, had been working rigorously to restore faith in humanity since the nationwide lockdown periods, that is 14th of April 2020, and is unceasingly continuing its effort till date. More than 500 families, irrespective of caste, creed or religion, had benefited from their service during the crucial days of their life. The company had voluntarily spent more than Rs 3 lakhs in helping the needy. News Desk report for Karbinglong Live.